Hi, this is Mark with AB&R. Today I'm pretty excited to unbox the new ATR 7000 from Zebra. This reader is an RTLS UHF RFID reader, able to track assets indoors. I'm going to unbox it right now. Take the styrofoam. User's manual. Put it right here on the side. And I'm going to slide it right out of the box. It's not very heavy. This reader uses UHF to track your assets indoors. Again, like I said, it is a very accurate reader for real-time location systems. It's pretty simple to set up. You want to use software. You can connect it right here via Ethernet connectivity. You can power it over Ethernet, or you can supply your own external power supply. The location system is actually pretty accurate, to better than 2 feet in accuracy. If you have any questions, please contact us. We are the RFID experts, so you don't have to be.